My name Trần Minh Phú. I'm from Cần Thơ University in Vietnam, and to participate in the SEED project, I enrolled in the Copenhagen University as a PhD student, and the topic of my PhD student also a part of the SEED project relate to the use of the chemical in our culture in Vietnam, and also some aspect related to the food safety and also for the public health. And I found interesting to do that because the catfish farming and the shrimp in Vietnam is dominated, is the two species dominated in the Mekong region, and because the fast role of the industry, it leads in so many concerns on the food safety aspect as well as the public health.